Hello everyone, this is the video for class 5th, chapter 7, percentage. So what is percentage? Percentage word means percent. Cent means 100 and per means प्रति. हर एक 100 में से जितना उसका part होता है that is called percent, and this chapter is about the percentage. So how we calculate the percentage? Exercise 7.1. Question number A. First part is 55 upon 100. So how we convert this 55 upon 100 fraction into the percentage? So we multiply this by 100. Okay. So 100 cut with 100 and that is 55%. Now fourth part is 8 upon 25. So for convert into the fraction we multiply again with 100. Now this will cut by 25 as 4 times. So 8 fours are 32%. Now 3 by 4 again 100. 4 cut with 100. 25 times 25 threes are 75. That is 75%. Now question number 7. 3 1 upon 5. So 3 multiplied by 5, that is 15, and 16 upon 5, then multiply by 100. This cut with 100 by 20. 16 into 20. 16 twos are 32 and 0. 320%. Now 12 2 upon 5. So 12 into 5 plus 2 and 5. 12 को 5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे और उसमें 2 ऐड करेंगे. 12 5 is 60 and 262 upon 5 and into 100. 20. So 62 into 20. 2 twos are 4 and 12 and 0. 1240%. 9 upon 10 into 100. So that is 90%. Now question number B is convert percentage into fraction. Okay, so this percentage is given and we have to change into this fraction. So 12%. When we remove this percent sign, so we divide by 100. For finding the percentage, we multiply by 100, and from removing the percentage sign, we divide by 100. So first we write 12 and 100. This is also fraction part. ये भी आपका आंसर हो सकता है क्योंकि ये फ्रैक्शन फॉर्म में है, बट अगर आप चाहें तो इसको और सिंपलेस्ट सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. सो व्हाट इज द सिंपलेस्ट फॉर्म? अगर हम इसको 2 से कट करेंगे तो 6 by 50 and again 2 से कट करेंगे तो 3 upon 25. This is the simplest form. So the final answer is 3 upon 25. Now fourth part is 73%. So first we write 73 upon 100. So there is no common factor between them. So this is the final answer, 73 upon 100. Now 66%. 66 divided by 100. 2 इसका कॉमन फैक्टर लेंगे, 2 से कट करेंगे तो 33 अपॉन 50. इसके बाद में हम इसे किसी भी कॉमन नंबर से कट नहीं कर सकते. सो 33 by 50 इज द फाइनल आंसर. नाउ 80% मीन्स 80 अपॉन 100. 0 से 0 कट हुआ. 8 अपॉन 10. दोनों नंबर 2 की टेबल में आते हैं. सो 4 upon 5 and that is the final answer, 4 upon 5. Now the exercise 7.2 question number A is convert these decimals into the percentage. So decimal is 0.9. Okay, so first we remove its decimal because one number is there. So first we write 10 means 10. Okay, and because we have to find the percentage, so we multiply by 100. 0 cut with 0. So answer is 90%. Clear? Now 0.82, first we write 82 and then 2 number after this decimal, so we write 2 zeros 100, and because we want to convert this into percentage, so we multiply by 100. 100 cut with 100, so answer is 82%. Now part 6 is 1.12. So first we write the number 112 by 100 multiply by 100. So it is 112 means 112%. Now question number 8, 0.203. First we write the number 203 divided by 1000. Because 3 number after the decimal, so we divide by 1000, and for finding the percentage we multiply by 100. This 20 cut with 2 zeros. Now it is 203 upon 10 means 203. First we write the number 203, and because there is only one zero, so we place after one digit, so 20.3%. Now part 10 is 1.056. So first we write the number, and because there are 3 numbers, so we divide by 1000, multiply by 100 for finding the percentage. Now it is 1056 divided by 10. So first we write the number 1056, and because there is 1 0, so we place our point after one number, so the answer is 105.6%. Now question number B, convert this percentage into decimal. So first is 26%. Now we want to remove this percent sign, so we divide by 100. Okay, first we write the number and then we divide by 100 because we remove this percent sign. Now we change into decimal. So first we write the number, and how many zeros are there? 2. So we place decimal before two numbers 1, 2 and here. So the answer is 0.26. Now 1.3% परसेंट का साइन रिमूव करा है तो डिवाइड बाय 100, और ये डेसिमल रिमूव करा है तो एक जीरो और लगाएंगे, सो दैट इज 13 डिवाइड बाय 1000. नाउ डेसिमल में इसको रिप्रेजेंट करने के लिए फर्स्ट वी राइट द नंबर 13, देन 1 2 3 1 2 3 एंड पॉइंट. So the answer is 0.013. Now 1.8%, 1.8 डिवाइड बाय 100, परसेंट का साइन रिमूव किया तो 100. इस डेसिमल को रिमूव करेंगे तो एक और जीरो, सो 18 बाय 1000. देन अगेन वी राइट 18 एंड 1 2 3, so 1 2 3 here. So the final answer is 0.018. Okay, now 3.88%. So 3.88 divide by 100. Now when we remove this decimal, we put two zeros more. Now first we write the number 388. And then 4 zeros are there, so 1 2 3 4 and decimal, sorry 0. So answer is 0.0388. Now 9.54 divide by 100. Once we remove this decimal, so 2 zeros also there. Now first we write the number 1 2 3 4 and here we place the decimal and 0. So Decimal form is 0.0954. I hope that you will understand this video. If you have any doubt, you can call me or WhatsApp me. Complete your work within 1 week and send me on my WhatsApp number. Thanks for watching this video.